see there's a lot of people waiting down there. Just amazing over here. Woo!
Today, our leading role and our impact raise a lot of questions. How will we generate our energy in the future? How will we protect the biodiversity? And in what kind of cities do we want to live? Campus Germany invites you to get to know the answers. Connect your minds and
Yo guys, we're here actually at the German Pavilion here at the EXPO2020. So like you can see we're here in the queue. There's a queue just behind there. So we just have to wait again. Like you can see there's multiple people, like maybe 2 or 3 people, and then it's gonna be our turn. So actually, here I think they're gonna print your name and some stuff. So just let's go together. Let's watch and see what they're gonna do actually.
You should wear them around your neck all the time because that's the way our exhibit will recognize you. So you stay at
You can touch it here, right?
Yeah, exactly.
you should wear them around your neck.
Now your nickname, please?
Because that's the way
T-H-I-E. Space or space?
Space, no? Only that, yes.
Only this.
exhibition because they need to know what
Okay.
Yeah.
Now would you be so nice to name for me and can also be a nickname?
Enjoy the exhibition?
Thank you very much. So actually guys, there is we were actually there on these places. You can see everybody stopped to they kind of scan this stuff, this card. They say you have to wear it all the time, so the machine in there gonna recognize you and some stuff. I don't know exactly. So you can see here they just wrote my name on this card, and I'm just gonna put it on, and it's just awesome. Very nice, free souvenirs from Germany. It's wonderful. You can see there's some people we're still here at the German Pavilion here. So actually we're to print it here on the machine just right behind there. So you can see there's a logo just behind us, people waiting to print it out. And you can see everyone here got his own card on his name. So this is actually mine I got. It's really awesome, I think. I really like it. It's just wonderful. So right now we gotta keep going straight. So it's really, well people, I feel it's really gonna be a really amazing experience right in there. So I don't really know what to expect, but I think it's really gonna be a great experience. So let's keep watching guys, and let's see what we're gonna find in there. I've been waiting now like for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes now that I'm in the queue waiting. So I hope it's really gonna work. So let's wait and see.
Welcome to Campus Germany. I will tell you a little story about our world and our campus.
our world is quite old. Many incredible forces have created and shaped our planet for millions and billions of years. When, all of a sudden, life began. set out to evolve through countless iterations, full of little successes and all changing accidents. Until, at some point, we came along. Seemingly within the blink of an eye, mankind took the stage. And we began to shape the planet ourselves, fitting it best to our needs. Which is why we call this era the Anthropocene, the age of humankind. Unfortunately, some of our plans had no regard for other creatures or the planet itself. Today, our leading role and our impact raise a lot of questions. How will we generate our energy in the future? How will we protect the biodiversity? And in what kind of cities do we want to live? Campus Germany invites you to get to know the answers. Connect your minds and immerse yourself in 100,000 ideas for a better future.
See, there's a lot of people waiting down there. A lot of people dancing down there. Just amazing over here. Woo!
The future is what we make of it.
And it takes you, and each and every one of you, to inspire, to connect, and to keep moving. Thank you.